Most people think quantum mechanics is this strange abstract theory that only matters in labs or science fiction. But here's the truth. Quantum mechanics is the foundation of almost every modern technology you use every single day. Your computer, your smartphone, the internet, lasers, medical imaging, even the future of clean energy. And one of the most important quantum effects behind all of this is something called quantum tunneling. At the quantum level, particles don't behave like tiny billiard balls. Instead, they act like waves. And that means something incredible can happen. A particle can pass through a barrier it should never be able to cross according to classical physics. That phenomenon is called quantum tunneling. Modern electronics are built on semiconductors, materials like silicon. Inside every transistor, electrons have to move across extremely small energy barriers. Classically, many of these electrons shouldn't be able to cross. Because of quantum tunneling, they do. Without tunneling, transistors wouldn't switch properly. And without transistors, there are no computers, no smartphones, no data centers, no AI. The same quantum principles enable lasers. Lasers rely on precise quantum energy levels inside atoms and electrons jumping between them. That's why lasers are so stable, so coherent, and so powerful. Quantum mechanics also explains why materials conduct electricity and why some don't, and why we can engineer devices at the nanoscale. In other words, the entire digital world runs on quantum rules, even though the devices themselves look classical. And quantum tunneling doesn't just matter for electronics, it also plays a key role in nuclear fusion. Fusion is the process that powers the sun. Classically, atomic nuclei repel each other. They should never get close enough to fuse. But in stars and in fusion experiments on Earth, quantum tunneling allows nuclei to pass through that repulsive barrier. That tunneling effect lets fusion happen at temperatures lower than classical physics would predict. Without quantum tunneling, stars wouldn't shine. And controlled fusion, one of the most promising long term energy sources, wouldn't be possible. So when people say quantum mechanics is weird or impractical, they're missing something important. Quantum mechanics isn't the future, it's the reason the present works at all. And quantum tunneling is one of the quiet, invisible effects that make modern technology and even the universe itself possible. If this helped you see quantum mechanics differently, please go ahead and like the video. And if you want more clear, no hype explanations about quantum physics, technology, and the science behind the world we use every day, subscribe and stick around.